it's broken. I literally think it's just broken. Maybe 11:35. There we go! Uh-oh! Who's gonna go off first? Come on! Uh-oh! It died. You fucking piece of garbage! Oh, it went off. Never mind. That one went off. I don't know why it did alert. I have no clue why the BC345 CRS did alert, but. Piece of garbage. He don't work.
The test will be postponed until the following day.
He didn't go off. Oh.
This ends the test of the national weather.
He didn't go off.
Radio warning alarm.
Garbage shit. Yeah. I don't know why he did alert.
The forecast for the Mahoning Valley. West of today, mostly cloudy.
That scared the fuck out of me, so I'm shaking.
Chance of showers late this morning.
That literally scared the living fuck out of me, so I'm shaking right now.
Winds around 5 miles per hour.
That one didn't go off. You went off. Did you? You didn't go off. And you
The lower 60s.
you went off.
Southwest winds around 5 miles per hour.
The light's broken on that thing, I think.
Mostly sunny in the
But this one did go off for the weekly
with
test.
a slight chance of showers
And this one went off. Okay. So the ones that are dog shit and don't go off. This guy sucks, he don't go off. This guy didn't go off at all. Yeah, probably because I don't have the weekly, didn't pick up the weekly test, no. Yeah, this one's an alert. Yeah, this one's alert should be on. What the fuck? Which one's still talking? Oh. That was weird as fuck. The BC345 CRS went off on alert. But it is what it is. Yeah. That was cool.